friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making cherry cookies. Before making this recipe, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For these cherry cookies, what we need is butter, sugar, brown sugar, egg, vanilla, flour, baking soda, salt, and maraschino cherries. And I'm also going to use a little bit of red food coloring just to make them pink. This is totally optional. If you don't have or don't want to use food coloring, just leave it out. So first we need 1 stick of butter and melt it. So I already melted it in a microwave. And now I'm going to add half a cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And now let's mix until combined. Now next I'm going to add an egg. Crack 1 egg. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now let's mix until combined. And now I'm going to add a little bit of red food coloring. This is just for color. It's not really needed for the recipe. And next I'm going to add the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add 1/2 cups of flour, half a cup of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now I'm going to mix it until combined. So now it's almost mixed. There's a little bit of flour at the edges. I'm going to leave it for now because once we add the cherries, they have extra moisture and I will finish mixing it. So now here's my can of maraschino cherries. This is 16 ounces, 1 pound. So first I'm going to drain them because we don't need the liquid. And now I'm going to chop those cherries into pieces and add them to the cookie dough. So make sure there's no more liquid. can just chop them into pieces. You can do halves or quarters, totally up to you how big Those pieces of cherries. Do I want to those cookies? And so now I'm going to mix the dough and incorporate all the cherries. And now the cherry cookie dough is ready. So just now, I will just shape it into balls and drop it on a baking sheet to make our cookies. Just make sure you leave enough space because they will spread. I will flatten them a little bit. They look so good. And now let's bake them. So I'm going to put them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the cherry cookies have been baking for 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take a look. Wow, they look amazing. And now I'm going to take them out. So these cookies are ready. They might seem undercooked, but once they cool down completely, they harden. So let's just let them cool down until they're cold. So for about half an hour, and then we'll try them. Now the cookies have cooled down, and I'm so excited about trying them. They look so good. Let's try it. Wow, look at that cookie. It's soft. So good. Look at those cherries. Let's try it. It tastes as good as it looks. You're going to love these cherry cookies. They're so easy to make and they taste amazing. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!